Good morning. The temperature may have dropped a bit as November begins, and so has the trading range of the Nifty. The indices are set to remain in a narrow zone, though the range appears to be gradually changing between 5,560 to 5,630. We could see a flat start today. The HSBC India manufacturing PMI data for the month of October will be in focus, and so will the auto companies' dispatch numbers. India's core sector growth rose to 5.1% in September. The modest growth was on account of double-digit growth witnessed in the production of coal, petroleum refinery products, and cement. US markets ended mixed after a two-day closure on account of Hurricane Sandy. Trading volumes didn't spike as anticipated. Asian shares are weak this morning. China's official manufacturing PMI rose to 50.2 in October from 49.8 in September, but investors are not really surprised with this recovery. With Arvind Kejriwal exposing the industry politician nexus, Reliance Industries will be closely watched following the allegations of favoritism to the corporate house. Investors will also keep an eye on the weekly meeting of the Union Cabinet and that of the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs today. The Prime Minister and Finance Minister are expected to chalk out roadmap and outline the priorities for the remaining period of the UPA 2 tenure. Meanwhile, the debt-stricken Greece has agreed on final details with its international creditors on the term for the next installment of a bailout deal, said Prime Minister Antonis Samaras. The dollar fell against the euro and British pound but gained ground versus the Japanese yen. Oil for December delivery rose 50 cents to $86.18 a barrel. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 2.5 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 978.5 million as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 3.1 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend buying Tata Steel November futures below Rs 387 for the target price of Rs 401 and a stop loss placed at Rs 380. We advise buying HDFC above Rs 760 for the target price of Rs 790 and stop loss placed at Rs 745. Our derivative strategy for the day is long IndusInd Bank November future above Rs 365 for the target price of Rs 373 and a stop loss placed at Rs 361. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.